We talk football SA.
Okay.
Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Steelers 1. Uthini mfowethu?
Member,
Yeah.
we are going to take this league 10 times in a row.
10 times in a row.
10 times in a row.
That's ridiculous.
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
You need to relax when you watch Sundowns.
Yeah.
This team is very strong,
Patient.
very patient.
Yes.
Even as supporters, we must be patient the way they are so patient. Those players.
Yes.
That's what we need.
That's true.
You get my point.
That's
We
true,
cannot say
Sandawan.
Kaduso is poor together with his assistances.
No.
No, we can't.
You can't be
Because-
poor in one day.
No, in one day,
No.
you can't.
No.
Now look, Perez, that team Perez
Yes.
is going to play Stellenbosch
Yes.
at Orlando.
Yes.
And we are behind with the game,
Yes.
you see. So when we catch up with them,
Yeah.
with the games,
They won't stop you.
they won't stop us.
Yeah.
They can score 10 goals, what, we
Yeah.
don't care there.
Yes.
You must relax if you know, sir. You see these photos.
Yes. I see.
You see these photos.
Legends.
You see these ones.
Fire Masilela.
Yeah.
Daniel Mambushim Jao.
Daniel
Felix
Ma-
Masinga.
Bennett Masinga.
Yeah.
Chelsea Bombe. Chelsea Abo Linte Uteles.
Let me tell you a story.
Russell Molefe.
Yeah.
Lucky Molefe.
Zain Musa.
Sive Mutaung. Nango Iwe Kampule. You see, Roger Fetompa, Thomas Libby.
I see.
You see,
I see Shofi Maholeho here.
you see Chupi.
Yes.
And else Roger Disa.
This is legendary.
You see.
And the former leading goal scorer here, Mambushim Jao, the man I respect more.
Yeah, even myself I respect.
Let me tell you one thing.
Yes.
There was once on a Kickoff magazine
Yeah.
where there was a picture of the cover photo was Chance Mchohi and Chance Gone.
Charles Gone.
And the title was The Wheel and the Piston. So you make me cry if you show me such photos.
You see these guys.
Yes.
If you know Sundowns, you must relax.
I know.
I wish Mutsepe was supposed to get Sundowns by this era.
I was going to beat Sundowns.
Yeah, it was no one was going to beat this team.
But anyway, they did great. We can't take anything away.
We can't take
They did
anything
great.
away from them.
Yes.
So for now, as we speak,
Yeah.
Sundowns is going to take this league.
Yes.
So nice.
Yes.
Relax, my Sundowns, please. They must just relax. Sundowns is going to take this league without any disturbance.
Yes.
No disturbance.
Yeah.
Come, we are on 24 games now. Ne?
Yes. Yes.
Come on, only 2 games left.
Yeah.
We'll be taking another step.
Oh, in 2 games. Yeah, against Richards Bay and I think Polokwane City. We'll be talking a different story.
Richards Bay, Polokwane
Yes.
City.
Yeah.
We'll be taking another story.
No. Thank you, Sandawan.
Thanks, ma'am.
We'll meet you in the final.
You'll meet me in the final.
No, we'll meet against Chiefs first. I'll be here.
Yes. And
Yes.
remember.